Good morning, students. Welcome back to your physics class. This side Pooja Sharma, your physics teacher. I hope you all are fine, you all are healthy, doing well. Okay, ji. So today's class is very important. You are having your exam by Monday and your science exam this coming Monday. So we are going to do the revision for the same. Fine. Before we proceed on with that, if you have any, because revision class means that whatever the concepts or if any clarification, if there is nothing, then I will be helping you out in revision from my end. But if there is any particular doubt, the first 2-3 minutes are yours. You can send me a message on WhatsApp if you have any particular doubt which you want to understand. कोई derivation है जो आपको नहीं समझ में आ रही, you can WhatsApp me. We are going to revise that derivation once again. Fine. Or any definition, any reasoning question, because I think that those are available onto your books. We have done that a lot of times. The only confusion you will be having in numericals or derivations. So if you face any problem, you can have the first 2-3 minutes. You can send the your request, which topic you are interested to revise once again. Plus, link is there in the description box for marking your attendance. Kindly click on the link also and mark your attendance. So these are the first two tasks you are going to do in the first 2-3 of the minutes. And then we are going to begin up with the class. Thank you so much. Go ahead. ओके बच्चा, okay जी. So everybody, almost you have marked your attendance. If anybody is left, you can please go ahead, mark your attendance. Then I'm going to close the link for attendance. And I got one request from Rahul Dadwal of 9F. Want to understand the derivation for the weight of an object on Earth and on Moon. Okay, ji. Ma'am, can you do the graphical representation of motion? Karanbir, beta, the video which we have in the previous class, that is your Tuesday's video, है ना? Along with that video, अगर आप link था वहां पे, other than that, you have the link of all these important concepts. ठीक है, वहां पे आपका ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन का लिंक भी है, डेरिवेशंस का, ठीक है. वन ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन, पर्टिकुलर ग्राफ, कोई पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक लेंगे, बट इफ यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कंप्लीट, देन लिंक इज देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. आप एक बार उसको चेक करना. उसके बाद अगर फिर भी कोई आए, यू डेफिनेटली यू कैन कॉल मी. ओके बच्चा? ओके जी. So proceeding on, I got two requests right now. Fine. One, Pragati, you are saying that explain all the formulas which are coming for numericals. देखो, formulas can't be explained. Formulas आपको क्या करने हैं? आपको वो लिख के रखने हैं कहीं पे. Fine. And you has to be clear कि कौन सी term कहाँ पे. मैं आपको समझा देती हूँ that in a numerical how you have to apply the formula, which formula to be applied where. What you are going to do is open motion chapter, उसके regarding जो भी आपके formulas है, write that onto a paper somewhere. Same go for the next chapter, same go for the next chapter. ठीक है, सारे formulas एक जगह पे लिख के रख लो. अब उनको use कैसे करना है? We are going to begin from that only. Fine. Then we are going to do the relation between the weight of an object on Earth and the weight of an object on Moon, because this is requested by many of the students, that how we are going to have the formulas, how we can apply the formula in a numerical. Okay, although it is done a lot of times, but still, let's do it. Let's say you have the three equations of motion. One is v is equal to u plus at. Fine. Second you have is s is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay. Then you have is s is 2as is equal to v square minus u square. So these are the three equations given to you. Fine. Now suppose you have a numerical. In that numerical it is given to you what is the initial velocity, u की value given है आपको. Fine. Then they gave you what is the final velocity. This is also given. Okay. Then they said that time taken is 5 seconds or 10 seconds. This is also given. And they are saying find out the displacement done. अगर उसकी initial velocity, starting velocity कितनी उसकी starting speed है, that is given to you. End में कितनी speed होगी, that is given to you. Time is given to you. And they are saying that find out the displacement. Okay. So first thing you are going to do is जो भी इसके related displacement के related आपके पास formulas हैं, just write it somewhere. For example, here we have written 3 formulas. Out of these 3 formulas, if you look onto the first one, इसमें तो displacement आ ही नहीं रहा है. Fine. So definitely we are not going to use this because displacement is not coming into it. Fine. Next, look onto this. Displacement is there. Okay. But let's see बाकी parameters follow हो पा रहे हैं कि नहीं. We have u. Yes, we have that. We have time. Yes, we have that. Then we have acceleration. No, we don't have acceleration. Then we have time. Yes, we have time. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या प्रॉब्लम आई? This is unknown जो हमने फाइंड करना है. One is s जो हमने फाइंड करना है. Second is a और ये भी हमें फाइंड करना है. तो अगर किसी इक्वेशन में 2 चीजें अननोन होंगी, फाइन, 2 पैरामीटर्स आर अननोन, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज दैट इक्वेशन. हम वही इक्वेशन यूज करेंगे वेयर ओनली वन थिंग इज अननोन एंड रेस्ट आर नोन. ठीक है, वो इक्वेशन यूज करेंगे. सो इसको अभी फॉर द टाइमिंग इसको साइड पे कर देते हैं. लुक ऑन टू द थर्ड इक्वेशन. a is not given, s is not given, so same thing is here also. अब मतलब दोनों में सेम प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. नाउ व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू इज s को फाइंड करने से पहले आपको क्या फाइंड करना पड़ेगा? a फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दोनों इक्वेशंस में वही प्रॉब्लम. यहाँ पे भी a चाहिए, यहाँ पे भी a चाहिए. मींस व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to find a. Now look onto the first equation again. V is given, yes it is given. U is given, yes. A not given, T given, yes it is given. So if you look onto the first equation, यहाँ पे A given नहीं है, उसके अलावा बाकी सब given है. So can we do one thing? Substitute the values of B, U and T and find out A. हम क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में वैल्यूज पुट करके हम a की वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करेंगे. देन व्हेन यू हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ a, नाउ दिस इज योर चॉइस. यू कैन यूज सेकंड और थर्ड इक्वेशन क्योंकि a अब आपके पास आ गया. फाइन, एक्सेलरेशन यू गॉट. नाउ यू हैव u, t, a, t, एवरीथिंग यू हैव. पुट द वैल्यूज, get the displacement. Or it's student's choice, you can go with the third equation also. You can put the value of a here, b here, u here, and you can find out displacement. दोनों से आंसर सेम आएगा. I hope the point is clear. So what you have to do is that choose the formula which is going to bring you on track. ठीक है ना? So वो formula choose करो. And the main method of choosing any formula is see the formula in which only one thing is not given, rest all are given. Only one thing is not given, rest are given. ठीक है? So let's try one more. Okay. We have b is equal to u plus at. We have s is equal to ut plus half at square. 2as is equal to v square minus u square. So these are the 3 equations of motion which you have. The parameters given in the numerical are u is given, okay, v is given, okay, s is given. You have to find out acceleration. क्या find करना है आपने? Acceleration find करना है. So to do this, what you are going to do is you have to choose the formula जिसमें acceleration आता हो, क्योंकि हम वही apply करेंगे. Let's get started. So you have the 3 formulas which include acceleration. First में भी second में भी आ रहा है, third में भी आ रहा है. So circle it क्योंकि यही तो हमने find करना है. Means this is अननोन, ये गिवन नहीं है, ये हमने फाइंड करना है. फाइन. सो मैंने ये सर्कल कर दिया. अब इसके अलावा बाकी कौन सी चीजें हैं? ओके, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, क्या हम इससे एक्सेलरेशन फाइंड कर सकते हैं? डू वी हैव v? Yes, we have that. Do we have u? Yes, we have that. Do we have t? No, we don't have t. So are we going to use this equation? No, we are not going to use this. Proceeding on with the second one. Do we have s? Yes, we have s. Do we have u? Yes. t? No. दो अननोन आ गए, यहाँ पे भी दो अननोन थे तो हमने इसको क्रॉस कर दिया. यहाँ पे भी दो अननोन आ गए, क्रॉस कर दो. There is one more equation which include acceleration. Let's see. S, do we have? Yes, we have. V, yes, we have. U, yes, we have. So in this equation, other than acceleration, all the things are given. So क्या हम इस equation को use कर सकते हैं? Yes, we can use this equation and we can find out the value of acceleration. In the numerical, whatever the things are given, initial velocity, starting velocity, u, final velocity, ending velocity, finishing velocity, v, distance, displacement, s, acceleration, retardation, a. फाइन. एक्सेलरेशन होगा तो पॉजिटिव, रिटार्डेशन होगा तो नेगेटिव. फाइन. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. चलिए, along with the previous video, जो आपकी ट्यूसडे वाली वीडियो थी, फाइन, if you just go on to the YouTube, आप देखोगे कि second or the third video which is there on the channel, find the top second or the third video. In the description box मैंने आपके सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स, जितने भी आज तक आपकी न्यूमेरिकल क्लासेस हुई हैं, ठीक है, जो उसमें से important classes हैं, I have mentioned the link of all those classes in the description box of Tuesday's video. Find all your important derivations, your graphs, fine, and even the chapters, even the back exercises, fine, it's all there. Just for the reason so that if you want to understand any particular topic, like Karan ne abhi bola that ma'am graphical representation में problem आ रही है, so you need not to, ऐसे आप कहाँ search करते रहोगे ना, that where is the video, I have to watch that again. So I have given all the. आपको करना क्या है, you just have to click on the description box of Tuesday's video. उसमें से जो आपको वीडियो देखनी है उसके ऊपर क्लिक करो and watch that and understand. कहीं पे कुछ डाउट आएगा, you are definitely going to text me or you are going to call me. Okay? चलिए जी, let's proceed on with the derivation asked by Rahul Dadwal 9F. We are going to do that. Okay जी, eyes onto the board. We have to find out the relation between the weight of an object on Earth and the weight of an object on Moon. Fine. So, first of all, what is the formula of weight? We know weight and force are same. तो force का formula ही use करेंगे. That is G mass of first object, mass of second object, and D square. इसको हम लिख देंगे m1 m2 over d square. Fine. Now, if we are talking about specifically, we are talking about the weight of Earth. E, that is the weight of Earth. Weight of an object on Earth, you can say. Fine. So G, capital M for mass of Earth, small m for mass of object, R is radius of Earth, and uska square. Similarly, if you have to write for Moon, weight of an object on Moon, Wm, फॉर्मूला इज गोइंग टू बी सेम, जहां पे E लिखा है वहां पे M लिख दो. E means earth, M means moon. So G, mass of moon, mass of object, radius of moon और उसका स्क्वायर. I hope this is clear. हमने कुछ नहीं करा है. We have just written the formula F is equal to gmm over d square. That is the universal law of gravitation. And we have just molded as per the requirement on earth, on moon. Okay. Now we are going to do the ratio of weight of an object on earth and the weight of an object on moon. So WE over WM. Fine. Let's put the values and get it. So okay, weight of an object on earth, that is G, mass of earth, mass of object over radius of earth का square. Fine. Okay, this is about earth divided by weight of an object on moon. So G, mass of moon, mass of object, radius of moon और उसका square. Fine. Now this fraction to fraction, it's very difficult. Fine. So हम इसको क्या करेंगे? Reciproc. Very good. G M E M O over R E का स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय, ये जो डिवीजन का साइन है उसकी जगह पे हमने डाला मल्टीप्लाई और उसके बाद जो फ्रैक्शन होगी दिस इज गोइंग टू बी रेसिप्रोक. फाइन. सो GMMMO over RM square, it's going to be RM square over G, mass of moon, mass of object. Okay. हाँ जी बच्चा. So value of G, gravitational constant here, gravitational constant here. Gravitational constant is going to be same whether you are onto the earth, whether you are onto the moon. फाइन. सो सेम है तो वैल्यू कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगी. आप वैल्यू पुट करके भी कैंसिल आउट कर सकते हो, बट देयर इज नो यूज, कैंसिल तो करना ही है. फाइन. सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू. सबसे पहले जो कैंसिल आउट करना है हम वो कैंसिल कर देंगे. सो जी जी गेट कैंसिल. देन वी हैव मास ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट है, मास ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट है, वो भी कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा बिकॉज मास इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज. क्या चेंज करता है? वेट चेंज करता है. मास कभी भी चेंज नहीं करता. फाइन. सो वेदर यू आर ऑन अर्थ, if your mass is 6 kilogram, you go on to the moon, your mass is going to remain 6 kilogram. वेट में वेरिएशन आएगी, फोर्स में वेरिएशन आएगी, मास में वेरिएशन नहीं आएगी. फाइन. सो masses are not going to be changed. Okay. So what we are left up with is WE over WM is equal to ME RM square over RE square MM. Fine. Now I'm going to write this. I'm going to erase everything and I'm going to write this last step on the top here. So I hope there is no confusion till here. हाँ जी. सो आई हैव रिटन दिस ऑन टू द टॉप. सो ये बन गया हमारा फॉर्मूला. अब हमने इसमें वैल्यूज पुट करने हैं. वन स्टूडेंट आस्क्ड मी फ्यू डेज बैक एज वेल, मेरे को एक पिक भेजी थी जहां पे था यू हैव द mass of earth, you have mass of moon, radius of earth, radius of moon, and asking for, you have to keep that in your mind. It will not be given in the paper. आपको mass of earth, weight of earth वो values given नहीं होंगी. You have to learn those values. Fine. So okay. So ये आपका है mass of earth. You have to substitute the value. Radius of moon, उसकी value substitute करो and square it. Radius of earth, put the value, square it. Mass of moon, put the value. उसके बाद आप करोगे इसको solve.